Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, this is Dr. Okwara, personal coach of the fitness, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 exercises that you can do at home or at the gym, whichever you prefer. And all you need is a mat, or yeah, basically a mat, and that's it. That's it. So before we start this video, I just gotta say that I appreciate you guys that have been watching this video. I know majority don't, but I appreciate everyone that's been watching, and it does take a lot for me to make these videos. Like, it takes a lot of effort and time, so I do appreciate you liking and subscribing. If you haven't, I don't know why you haven't subscribed yet, but please subscribe and let's, you know, let's make it work. Okay, so without without further ado, let's start this video. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, that concludes this video. I want you to do this at least twice a week and repeat these exercises twice. Okay, so 2 sets of each exercise, and you shouldn't be focusing just on your abs. Okay, do other exercises as well. So I hope you know this already. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Oh.